Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3T10 and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So number one, you want to hold the power key and select power off. When the device turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. When you see the Alcatel logo on the screen, let go of the power key only. As you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. So in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with this in mind, you want to select wipe cache partition right here. Confirm it, select yes. Wiping cache and cache wipe complete. Now reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will reboot the device and take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.